welcome to my Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas 18th. I'm about to get myself ready, so later me and Carl's mom are gonna go to, I guess, Lowe's, and then we're gonna go to Publix because I'm running out of creamer, and they're having buy one get one free coffee creamer, only a Nestle coffee creamer. So I'm gonna get that, and I just finally now discovered why my hair's been thinning out, why it's been falling out, and because I'm always wearing these black ties, black hair ties, and back then I used to wear scrunchies, and it's like I didn't even realize, you know, why my hair was falling out. And of course I wear my hair up when I go to bed. So I'm going to have to wait until when I go to Walmart, hopefully soon, so that way I could break this habit of wearing hair ties. Right now I just have my hair up just for now. I just, you know, sprayed it with water besides getting a shower, because I don't want to just get in the shower and waste any water. Yeah, I didn't get much sleep last night, so that's why I'm having like really like dark circles. I'm gonna have to look up like what type of concealer, like color corrector concealer, helps for like really dark circles. Probably yellow, probably. So I'm probably gonna put that on my face. Probably, you know, put a little bit of makeup on. Only foundation that I have right now is, well, I mean, I can use Hard Candy, or I can use, I'm going to have to set y'all somewhere. Set me just holding the damn phone. There we go. Okay. I was going to listen to some music, but, anyways, I was like looking at the door. I'm like, that looks kind of weird. But yeah, this is what my other eyelashes been in. I'm just getting my little box over here. Yesterday I didn't get to do too much vlogging. I just only showed like my boyfriend's mom making those Christmas cookies for Christmas. And let me tell you, we've been like snacking on them even though we're not supposed to, but we're going to be able to make more Christmas cookies. I want to try and make the cookies that I made last year. It's just, you know, regular like chocolate chip cookies, but adding M&Ms with it, and it was so good last year, and everybody loved it. And I'm hoping I can be able to make it this year. And I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead and try the Prep and Hydrate Balm by Elf. I can know where it's at in here. It's like my top dresser here is like not really organized. It's like I cannot wait until we get our own place, because this is really like driving me nuts. Oh geez, where the hell did I put it? Okay, y'all gonna have to give me a minute because I gotta find this damn thing. And I don't know where I put it at. It sucks when you try to clean up and then you lose what you were gonna use. But yeah, let me go ahead and find it real quick, and I don't know where the hell I put it at. I finally found it. Some reason it was in the trash down here. So this is the Prep and Hydrate Balm. I mean, I should like go. This clear cooling balm helps hydrate and prep skin for makeup application, enriched with purified water, shea, and vitamin E to help nourish and moisturize. Great for daily use. Can be used on areas such as face, hands, elbow, and knees. So I'm like, oh, okay. But yeah, I'm like, seriously, who would put this in the trash? Come on. But yeah, I was gonna do a first impression with it, but since I'm trying to put it on here, this is the actual size, so it's got tape on it. It's like I've been wanting to try this because I have such, you know, dry skin. No parabens, no sulfates, no whatever starts with a P. Don't know what that means. Okay, we gotta take off this. Wow, this is like so little. That is like so little. Look at it. That's something you could put in your purse. My face feels like a little bit dry. So maybe if I go get wet real quick and see what it does when I put the stuff. The Prep and Hydrate Balm stick. Right, so I decided to exfoliate my face, and I'm going to go ahead and take it off. See if I can do it with one hand. Nope. Okay, so it has like this clear thing here. I guess to like protect it and everything. Maybe I'll just keep it when I'm done and roll it up like you do with like a deodorant. See how much product I pushed out? No, it says to do it in circular motion. I don't know exactly how it feels yet, but it feels, I don't know. I'll have to see how it feels when I put foundation on. And I'm gonna first I have to get my brushes. And there goes the eyelashes. Yay. I'm gonna go clean this real quick because it looks really, really dirty. And I used the Dow soap. Let me tell you, that shit really gets it clean. Okay, so I switched to my iPad. And I see where Nicole, Nikki Tutorials is doing a $250 giveaway, I guess. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on mineral infused primer since I put on that Prep and Hydrate. I'm gonna see how it does with when I apply makeup, because I'm probably gonna put on 205, and I brought, it's like I want to wear this 205 and Maybelline Fit Me foundation, normal to dry, in 110 or 110 porcelain. But it's like I'm definitely gonna need to get me another shade because I don't know how long I've had this for a long time. And I know you're probably thinking, yeah, that's pretty old, Jeanette. Guess what? I don't care. Damn, I need to get my mirror. Hold on. It's like a girl gotta have her mirror. I'm debating if I want to also use my Rimmel. This is in 200 soft beige. This is when I was mostly using when it was around fall-ish time. Okay, let's see here. And I'm also gonna put on, because I got like, I'm almost out of Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth primer. But I'm gonna also use e.l.f.'s mineral infused primer, but I want to get the hydrating one because I like that one. I don't just hate like when you're about to do something and then it's like you have to rush to the bathroom. Don't you just hate when you do that? It's like, can you just like wait a minute? I feel like I want to go with either this one, but I feel like I'm gonna have to get me a lighter shade since I'm like almost out. I'm like almost hitting pan. Oh well, I'll go ahead and put some on. I need like a different concealer brush, a precision concealer. You can use it just for anything. I'm really gonna have to get me some new brushes this year because this is really, really old. I'm just gonna place this here, then I'm gonna place the yellow one on top. And I'm gonna go with Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in yellow. That's how much I have left with that. Bang. So I'm gonna feel kind of weird just sitting here talking to a camera or a phone, but with my boyfriend's mom, the lady that lives next door to us, that y'all, well, anyways, gonna go get some coffee creamer, and then I'm gonna get me some scrunchies. Is that where scrunchies? so that way my hair doesn't break anymore, and hopefully that'll help my hair to grow back out because it's getting short again. So that's what I'm basically doing, just sitting in the car. Was letting my phone charge, but they're not gonna be in there very long, and just chilling in the car and watching people walk by or drive by me talking to a phone. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I am back, and it seems like this eye is already crazy. Like, what the, I wasn't gonna wear, you know, a smoky eye look, but that is already creasing, and I'm about to go over to my mom's house, and then it's like, I guess I'll have to wait till I get back and take it off. But I finally got me some scrunchies. I already got one around my wrist, and I am going to throw up some pictures on here. What my hair used to look like when it was longer and I was wearing a scrunchie. So whenever I, you know, well, I mean, I haven't worn a scrunchie since I can remember. Probably like back in '09, so it's probably been like 9 years already since I worn a scrunchie, and hopefully this will help with the hair breakage and the hair thinning like it is right now. And you know, I'll keep an update on my hair. So this could be kind of like, you know, a journey process. Like, okay, now I know not to wear this type, but the one that the black band that's underneath the scrunchie that I've normally been wearing for I don't know how long, and now I'm just going to try to break the habit of not wearing a hair tie, only if I'm going to like work out or something. But right now it's looking okay, but still kind of dry-ish. And but yep, pretty soon I'm gonna go over to my mom's house, and when I get back, then I'll be able to edit this video or edit these videos and get it up as soon as possible. So, but yep, that's my and I didn't do much yesterday, so it's just gonna be, you know, I was just doing a little bit of videotaping of my future-in-law, my future mother-in-law, making cookies for Christmas, and hopefully pretty soon we'll be able to make more Christmas cookies soon. So, alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick.